Coillte is a state-owned commercial forestry company in Ireland. Even though Coillte is 100% state-owned, it acts like a private landlord. It owns and manages over 1 million acres of Irish land. That's more than any other body in the country. Officially, it is 100% state-owned. One share is held by the Minister for Agriculture. The rest is held by the Minister for Public Expenditure. Coillte does not act like a public service. It acts like a business. The goal is not public good or protecting the environment. It is profit. Coillte has 3 commercial divisions: forestry, planting and harvesting. They also manufacture wood panels, and they're in the land solutions game, selling off bits of Irish land for commercial use. Coillte made 458 million euros in revenue in 2024. That is 1.25 million euro a day. Sitka spruce is a non-native tree species used for timber production because of its fast growing. Sitka accounts for 85% of total planting in Coillte managed forests. Coillte is Ireland's largest timber producer, and they harvest 2 million cubic meters of Sitka wood every year. The majority of this wood is processed for pallets, fencing, and timber construction. Because it grows fast, it's cheap, but it's shite. It is not good for furniture or long-term use. It is incredibly ecologically damaging. It creates a dense monoculture that is acidifying the soil. It's blocking light, which blocks biodiversity, and it is harming the water quality. Coillte are not protecting the forest lands of Ireland. They are timber plantations. Gresham House is a British investment firm. They specialise in buying up real assets, and they manage them to generate profit for private stakeholders. They are listed on the London Stock Exchange, and they are the biggest private forestry investor in the UK. They already control tens of thousands of hectares in Scotland, and they are expanding fast. In 2023, Coillte partnered with Gresham House and launched the Irish Strategic Forestry Fund. It is a 200 million euro fund, backed by Irish public money. This is Irish taxpayer money being used to attract private investors. Colonialism. British plantation. Gresham House is not a conservation body, nor are they answerable to the Irish communities, nor are they here to restore native woodland. Gresham House is in Ireland for extraction. Their priority is return on investment. Short-sighted, fast-growing, damaging crop, monocrop. And doing this somehow buys them carbon credits. They can say that they're planting trees, even though they harvest them, and then they're able to sell those carbon credits from this green imperialism on the global market. Their business model is land value inflation for long-term capital gain, using climate language as its branding, monetizing the trees. In Scotland, Gresham House has been criticised for driving land price inflation, trying to consolidate control and buy up all of the private woodland, greenwashing its land grabs as carbon solutions, prioritising cash crops over ecological reforestation. Coilte's strategy is to slowly buy more and more of the Irish land from aging Irish farmers, often under financial pressure or just priced out of agriculture completely, and then sell that land to the Brits. Coillte is private control of Irish land, enabled by the state, run for profit by a UK financial house. Trees are not being planted to restore, but to trade, harvest, or offset. It's colonialism.